네, 안녕하세요. 주홍콩 한국문화원의 온라인 태권도 수업을 맡게 된 청도관 우태권 사범입니다. 반갑습니다. 문화원에서 직접 못 만나서 아쉽지만 오늘 온라인 수업을 통해 여러분들과 함께 할 수 있어서 좋습니다. 오늘부터 두 번의 수업을 통해서 여러분에게 태권도 호신술을 알려드릴 건데요. 자, 그럼 한번 시작해볼까요? 첫 번째 동작, 손목 잡혔을 때. 두 번째 동작, 목 졸렸을 때. 네, 세 번째 동작은 뒤에서 잡혔을 때. 여기는 오늘 저희 태권도 온라인 수업을 도와주실 르지나입니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 리주나예요.
Okay, so the first situation is maybe you're at a club and someone holds your wrist. And what would you normally do? Try to shake it off. Okay, so the solution to this is, doesn't matter how big or strong your opponent is, someone holds your wrist, just use your arm as a lever, push your elbow forward, and they will let go of you. After they let go of you, just kick and then run away. Okay, so let's have Regina try the self-defense move. Okay, the second self-defense move is when someone tries to choke you with two hands. Remember, it's very important that you release this as soon as possible, and it only takes around 6 seconds before you pass out. So you must get released no matter what. So let's try. For example, maybe I'm choking Regina. What would someone normally do? They would probably try to pull my arms out like this. But again, if I'm a much bigger, stronger opponent, her power is going to be her arm power against my arm power, in which I have a bigger advantage. So the solution is, when someone is trying to choke you, they're going to choke you with two fingers, right? They're choking you with two fingers. So you want to use your whole body weight and bow your whole body down. And then turn away, and then escape. If they try to chase you, you can add an extra side kick after you bow down. You can do a side kick before you run. Okay, let's try this with Regina. Pulls her neck, bows down, and kicks. And then she will have time to run away. Okay, so the third self-defense technique is when someone grabs you from behind. So if someone grabs you from behind, just push your elbows up and open your legs bigger and lower your body. And spot their foot, step on it, and then run away. Okay, let's have Regina try this move. I'm gonna grab her tight, release, and step. 네, 첫 번째 수업은 여기까지고요. 어떠셨나요? 두 번째 수업에서 다시 만나요. Arm as lever. What would normally someone do? Try to pull away. But if he's a much bigger, strong, all she has to do is bow down. One more time.